Like a phoenix, light up the night. I'm reborn with fire. I can't stop the fight. Living like a phoenix, light up the night. I'm reborn with fire. I can't stop the fight. Living like a phoenix. 난 다시 깨어나. Reborn, reborn. 난 다시 깨어나. Like a phoenix.
Did you hear there's a new student who just transferred here?
Yeah, I hope they're into music. It's about time we found a drummer. Maybe now we can finally beat McKinley High at the next competition.
Hey, it's Bobby. Let's go see if he knows anything about the new kid. Hey, Bobby, over here.
Oh, hey, Lexus! Mikhaili!
Have you heard about the new student?
Yeah, I think so. I heard she plays the drums. At least that's what someone told me.
Seriously? That's perfect. We've been needing a drummer for ages.
Well, that's lunch. Catch you two later.
Bye, Bobby. Ugh! Where are the boys? They should be here by now. Goddamn stupid boys.
Oh, there they are. Hey, guys.
Hey girls, what took you so long?
We stopped by to talk to Bobby about the new student.
Oh, the drummer rumor? I heard she's like amazing. McKinney's about to cry as he joins.
We could actually use someone steady on rhythm. I've been playing too many slow songs lately.
Dude, you're playing us around heartbreak songs.
Not my fault they sound better than pop noise.
Alright, you two, we get it.
What was that?
You're just like all those other dorks, believing you can be anything greater than what you are now. Just dorks. You really make me laugh. Now let me show you how I first treated those music dorks. What the?
Back off, Derek.
Well, if it isn't Lexi, the foolish little girl.
Oh, I'll show you who's little.
It's all my fault. That girl got in trouble because of me.
You mean Lexi? Oh, please. She could handle herself any day. Are you okay, though? You're new around here and you look pretty roughened up for your first day.
Yeah, I'm okay. But he just kept yelling, "You're just like those music dorks."
Oh. When he means the music dorks, he basically means the music club. Speaking of the music club, I'm McKaylee, the president of the club. What's your name, newbie?
Riley, nice to meet you.
Oh, hey Lexi. So, what did the principal say about your little drama that happened in the hallway?
Can you call my parents? I have detention with Derek again.
What?